are from different places, been around a million faces. Baby, you look just like your name.